My youngest landlord has been asking me, so I'm on my way to celebrate a celebrated grace, the restorational Apostle Johnson Suleiman, a humble man of God. When humility different from other pastors, when they are protocol, many pass their branch. If Apostle Suleiman not humble, now person like me will build hotel where from not they go call open. I'm coming to celebrate you, sir. Your birthday celebration is on Saturday and on Sunday. May they come today because you know what? Party when they for not invite person, your query is there. Maybe for not go sit down near where they read to do. Oh God, they come. All only to one with you. Because you know what? Leave people when they condemn you. Leave people when they insult you. Say you do this one, you do this one. The more that they insult you, the more they open free restaurants. Very soon you also open free education, free school. So that those people when they condemn you, their children go free of charge. That I don't shut up their mouth. How would you they come? Thank you.